Today I'm going to be showing you how to find the curvature of a point. And I'm not talking about 1 divided by radius, because if I was on the job and they said, Jesse, find me the curvature of this wall right here at this point, and I told them 0.149536, they would look at me like I'm silly. They want to answer in degree angle form. And if I want to confuse you and not have you understand, I'd show you lines like this. But I want you to retain this and use it, so I'm going to show you this. It's a circle, and it's the same concept. First of all, your starting point matters. Okay, and if you want to come off at the same plane as your starting point. And right here on the side, this line, for a split moment, it's standing straight up at 90 degrees. But at 90 degrees, it's directly level, it's flat. Okay, and we're going to start here, because if you got to take that into effect and minus it if you start down here, but we're going to start up here at 0 degrees. Now we're working on the outside of the circle, so our answer is going to be half of what the slope is, and we'll take that into effect. But what we're going to do is we're going to form a triangle from our starting point to directly above the point we want, and then we'll get the rise. Okay, so we're going to get our run and then our rise, and we're going to put that in the inverse tan button and figure out the slope of this triangle that we form. And I've already pre-measured this. This is a run of 3.5 inches, and then a rise of about 15/16. Now, man is imperfect. There's particles in the air that we can't measure, and decimals go on forever, and God knows what they are. But whenever you put these measurements in your calculator, you'll see that you get a slope of 15 degrees. Now, since we're on the outside of the circle, we're going to double that answer, and it's going to be 30. So the slope at this point on this circle is 30 degrees. This line is actually sloped at a 30-degree line right here. And if you want to find the radius of this circle, what you would do is you would put 3.5, the inches of how tall it is right here at this 30-degree point, and divide it by sine 30. Now sine 30 is 0.5. So when you take 3.5 and divide it by 0.5, you get 7. That is the radius of this circle. So if you wanted to give them a 1 divided by radius answer, there you go, you could. But I hope you're able to use this in life at some point in time and build great things for the Lord.